Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Project. In this module we're going to look at two things: custom shows and recording narration. So first of all, for those of you that have been looking at these PowerPoint presentations in series, I've added an extra slide. So this used to be the first slide, Waterloo. Now this is now the first slide, a welcome slide with two pictures, one of the Duke of Wellington, one of Napoleon. Now I want to create two custom shows, one showing the British slides, one showing the French slides. So this is how you do that. I have selected slideshow tab on the ribbon and then custom show, custom shows. Click on new. First one is going to be British, and then you tick the slides that you want to appear in the British custom show. So for this I'll just use 3 slides, add those across, click OK, and then new for French, French slides, and again Waterloo, the title, French, and slide 6. Add it across, click OK. And then I could show them from this button, but I'm not going to do that because what I want to do is create a hyperlink to the custom show for each of these. So that is on the Insert tab, clicking on Link. So placing this document, and if I scroll down, you'll now see the two custom shows. So first of all, the British one, and I would like it to show and then return to the welcome slide, which is what's going to happen there. So I'll click OK to that. And then I do the same for the French, link, down to custom, French, show and return, and then click OK. Make sure that is ticked, otherwise it will just stop at the last slide. OK. Now if I put that into full screen and click on Wellington, it will go to the Waterloo slide, and then I just press through the slides and get myself back to the beginning, and then I can click on the French slide, same thing, just go through the slide and eventually it'll come back to the beginning, like so, and then I press escape to come off that. So that's how you create a custom show, and then how you add it to a button and use a link. The next thing is recording narrations. There may be occasions where you have a technical slide, you want somebody who is more technical than you to record the information to enhance your presentation. So to do that, well, it could be yourself obviously, click on slideshow and then record slideshow. Now you get your image, so you can all see me now in the corner. Now if I click on record, it will start recording in a few seconds. Now basically what you're saying, it is recording. I'm just going to talk for a little while and let that record, and then I'm going to stop. So now I've stopped. It shows me a still of that, but that's a video link so you can hear the recording. If I press escape, you'll see that image on the actual slide itself. So that's how you do narrations, and obviously you can do that for every slide, so it makes it more interactive. If you're sending this to somebody, they can actually see you doing the presentation. It's a great little feature. But that's the end of this session, and hopefully you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.